Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is January 2nd, so happy new year to everybody. So I want to go ahead and start my seeds, a few seeds. I want to start some veggies and some flowers as well. So I've already labeled what I'm going to start today. So I want to start some garlic chives, the giant spinach, basil, the purple basil, the petite carrots, and also bell pepper. So this, I cooked with it. I cooked with the bell pepper a few days ago, and I put it in a wet, moist paper towel, and it's to start sprouting. So I'll go ahead and start those. So that's a mix of all the varieties of bell pepper. And then on the flowers, I have Alyssum. I have the purple Alyssum, the gold dust, the carpet of snow, the white one, and then also rose moss. And for one perennial, I'll do the black-eyed Susan. I've already cleaned out my seed starting station. The lights are on. The growers are already ready. The containers are ready. And I'll be using this seed starting mix. I haven't used this one before. It was just the one that I found in the store yesterday. So I got that. And I'll add some vermiculite at least for the carrots. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've portioned out the seed starting mix, and now we can start. So we have 3 of these. These are 3x4s, so 12 in that tray, and the rectangular ones are 2x5, so 10 in these, and I have 6 of those and 3 of these 12 cell trays. Okay, let's start with the seeds. I'll start with the bell pepper mix, and this has the green one, the red one, the orange one, and the yellow one. I don't know what's what, so we'll just put a bunch of them and see what grows. And I'll put 2 in each cell. And hopefully with that, we have at least 1 growing out of each cell. So this is a lot of pepper. But let's see what we will get out of it. So they've already started sprouting. So I'll put the sprouted side down. That's the root. I'm just hoping it's a good mix and I don't get more, you know, a lot of one color. I wanted all four. So this is vermiculite. So the vermiculite will help with the moisture retention. And then for these, I will water from the bottom. Add a little bit of water. And that should feed. It will water through capillary action from the bottom coming up. Okay. The bell pepper is done. And now onto, let's do the spinach. Yes, so for this one I want to, for the spinach I want to put the spinach and basil together, because I only need 6 of each. I don't need that many. So I'll grow half the tray will have spinach, the other half will have the basil. Okay. And like I say, today is January 2nd, so it might seem like it's early to start seeds, but for us, 8 weeks from now is we'll probably already be in at 80 degrees. So that's why I'm starting them early. I'm in zone 9B, and our winters are very mild, if you can call them winters. So I want to go ahead and start them actually on time this year. Okay, I'll do the rest of the seeds. For the alyssum and the rosmos, the seeds don't need to be covered, so I'll just sprinkle them on top. I'll come back and show you how I do that one. But for the rest of the seeds should be the same. So I'll go ahead and do the carrots. I'll do the garlic chives and the black-eyed Susan. And then when I get to the alyssum and the rosmos, I'll come back. Okay, we are down to the alyssums. So we have the purple, the gold dust, and the carpet of snow. So with these, they should the seeds need light to germinate. So I will not cover them with the vermiculite. I will just sprinkle them on the cells, and that should hopefully, and then I'll tamp them down. Hopefully that should be enough for them to germinate. So let's see, this is the purple one. So the seeds are very, very small. So I don't even think my forceps will be able to catch them. So I'll just sprinkle. Hopefully they're even. Press them down so they make contact with the soil, with the seed starting mix. Okay, I'll do the other two, and that should finish our seed starting for today, and then I'll come back and show you how the setup looks like. Okay, we are done. The trays have been placed on the heating mats. So at the top here we have the flowers. So we have the black-eyed Susan, rosmos, the alyssum purple, alyssum gold, and then the alyssum carpet of snow, the white one. And in the bottom shelf here, the middle shelf, we have the vegetables. So that's the chives, the carrots, the basil, and the spinach. And this is the bell pepper. So today is January 2nd. We'll keep an eye on them as they germinate. Hopefully we have a good germination rate. The heating mats, I think, go to about 70 to 75 degrees. I don't think they go beyond 75 degrees. So that should be okay. And then with the light, I'll be using maybe 9 or 12 hour cycle. So 12 hours on, 12 hours off. And then they're also, this cut is also by a window. That's the east side. So the morning sun should be coming through this window, although it's not a lot of sun, but it should be sufficient. But okay. Yeah, so this is what we have. I have my misting spray bottle right here. I'll make sure the trays are the seedlings are moist. So hopefully we have good seedlings in a few weeks. All right, I'll stop this video right here, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.